I'm Zach with Fast Tracks, and today we're going to look at using tender multipliers and loyalty campaigns to reward cash transactions. As you know, credit card fees have quickly skyrocketed and are now the second highest expense at most businesses behind payroll. And as you also know, our loyalty module, Loyal and Save, has a ton of robust features available when creating a campaign, including one to help you incentivize customers to use cash instead of a credit card. So let's peek at the details. So when setting up a loyalty campaign, we're going to head to the Options tab. From here, there are two applicable settings, Cash Multiplier and Non-Cash Multiplier. Both of these default to 1, meaning that they'll get the full value when using cash or non-cash. If I want to incentivize cash, I can set the cash multiplier to something higher, like 1.5 or 2, meaning that if the customer pays with cash, they'll receive 1.5 or 2 times the points. Or I can set the non-cash multiplier to something lower, like 0.5, so that if the customer uses non-cash, they would only receive half the points. Additionally, you define what tenders are considered cash and non-cash. So let's say I take checks and I want them treated as cash. You can configure that. Or if I take e-checks and I want them to be considered non-cash, you can configure that. Hopefully this helps you reward your customers for using cash. Until next time, take care.